Hi, this is Rockin' Robin, and today what we're doing is we are opening football cards. We are opening this pro set draft football cards. There's 2 autographs and there's 1 metal cards. Now these, I believe, are just players that were drafted. So I'm hoping that one of these players that I get is going to be big this season. And if they are, I'll make another episode showing you how much they're worth. But right now, this cost me $14.99 for this set. I'm going to open it up in front of you. We're going to see who we got, see if I get excited. So let's start. I'm going to use the scissors to open up because it's got plastic around it. Try to make it a little more easy than it would be without. And there we go. Got the plastic. I'm excited because I haven't opened up any cards, football or baseball, in a long time. And I don't think I've done it online. This is my first time. If you like it, I will definitely do more. So here is the box. And let's see. I open it up. The cards come like this. I'm not sure how many cards there are. It doesn't look like there's too many. So let's open it up, see what we got. I'm gonna have to put my glasses on so I can read the names. So I can see right away that I got Sam Howell. And we're gonna look and see all about him. Here's the cards. All you get is 3 cards. You get 3 cards in it, but they are signed. And Sam Howell is not signed. Sam Howell, he is a metal card. He's a quarterback. He was from Carolina, North Carolina. I am not sure who he's on now, but he was drafted with North Carolina. The next one I got is Calvin Austin III. He is a wide receiver. Again, I don't know who has these, where exactly the teams they're on now. He looks like, I can't tell what team he was from. I don't know that team, but they're graded on the back. This is a PSA CA1, so that's a really good grade. And again, I'm going to show you the front so you can see what that looks like. They come in this nice pack, this leather covering, which is great because that keeps them in great condition. And if this guy turns out to be someone, I have something good. And the last one I have is a defensive back, Chase Lucas. Now, I'm not sure what team that is. It looks to me like it was LSU, but no, I don't think so. Chase Lucas, he is a defensive back, and on the back it says it's a PSA Class 2, CL2. I like this one that's a CL1 much better than the CL2. I don't know why, maybe it's the way they were cut, but they have been graded, and it's called Leaf Rookie Cards. And again, here's Sam Howell. He has PSB SH1. I don't know exactly what that means. So I don't know if you know any of these players. Leave a comment if you think these players that I got, these 3, are going to be worth money. The box again was $14.99 plus tax, and it's 2002 draft rookies, and 2 autographs and 1 metal card. So this is Rockin' Robin. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a big thumbs up. We will bring you more of these if you are liking them. Like I said before, leave a comment. Hope to see you soon.